a Zaful unboxing and first impression and a try on. We love these type of videos, so thank you to Zaful for sending me these clothes as always. All my opinions are going to be 100% truthful because there's no point in me lying. I just kind of want to be honest because if I'm not going to wear it, then why would I tell you guys to buy it? Anyway, I'm also like doing a really weird squat right now, so this is very uncomfortable, but I am in this new background. I am at my new apartment, and because of that, I've been very slow to decorate this place just the way I want it. So sorry for not having a cute background today, but we'll get there eventually. And I'm out of breath because not only am I squatting, but also holding this big package right here. So, you know, there's not really much to say. We've done this plenty of times. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that bell icon notification button so you get notified every time I post, which is weekly. So if you guys want to watch, keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing we're going to open is in this small package, so let's do this. Ooh, I know what this is. Okay, so I got this top because I thought it'd be cute. Okay, so it's cute first of all, but I don't love this feeling. Hopefully it's gonna grow on me. It's very like, I don't know what that is. It's just a feeling. But this is what the top looks like. It is this like striped shirt, and then it gets like all bunched up at the bottom, and it has like really open sleeves, as you can tell, like just like very open and wavy. And then the top, don't worry, is not this open. There is a button, so I can button it up. So what I'm gonna do is try this on with some jeans and then put this on top of it. So give me 1 second and let's go see. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I decided to wear it with some of my like high-waisted jeans, but honestly, I could get a pair that fit better. And so if you got a pair of really nice high-waisted jeans and then you have this shirt, I think it's actually like super cute. I could wear this to work and make it, you know, look pretty decent. The only thing that I'm kind of not happy about is when I go like this, it does kind of feel a little bit tight, but I mean, I think it's kind of worth it. I would definitely wear this to work, so it's your call. I think it looks pretty good. And then, like I said, you just take the scrunched up part and just kind of tuck it in, but these jeans are a little tight on me. You get some bigger jeans, but basically I think it looks really, really good, and this is what it looks like. If it's all tucked properly, I think it'll look better. Honestly, these jeans are so tight, so let's go ahead and try on the next item. And I still don't know where my key knife is, so let me go find something pointy and sharp. Hold on. We got this, we got this. I'm still working on like the echo in this room and like the lighting in this room, so bear with me. Ooh, okay, so I already know what this is. So this is like a cute little roll. What it looks like already, and hopefully the stripes on this aren't blinding you. Apparently I was going, oh my gosh, my dress is striped, this shirt is striped, and now this is striped. Okay, but this is a size small, and also if you guys haven't realized already, I will put the size and the price of everything on the screen somewhere. But this right here, it looks like it could be a little big, so I don't know. But it also is like this little skirt that kind of like flips open, and there's shorts underneath. So I love the concept. Summer is almost over, but I mean, I am going to squeeze all of the summer out of the month as I can, okay? So give me 1 second and I will try this on. Okay guys, so this is the next one, and overall I really like it, except there's like an excess of fabric here and I don't really know what to do with it. And this part here is pretty open, and I wish it was more closed. And if you put a tank top there, you would just see the straps with this. So like, it's like, do you want to see straps or would you rather like safety pin it? It's kind of up to you, but the material of this I am very impressed with, and I really love how it looks. I'm going to the beach soon, and I think this is going to be perfect. And so this is what it looks like, and yes, I'm going to the beach in like September, but it's fine. We're fine. But yeah, this is it. And then again, it's like a little peekaboo, and it's just shorts, and it just feels really comfortable, and I like it. Okay, you guys are gonna kill me, but apparently there's something else that's striped in here, and I don't remember what it is. So let's just go ahead and see what it is. Yes. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, I immediately just think this is gorgeous. I really didn't realize how much striped things I was getting, but it's like a little jumpsuit. Yeah, like a little jumpsuit, and then it kind of ties in the back. I'm just gonna go try this on. Give me 1 second. Like, I'm probably already gonna call it. This might be one of my favorite things that's in the package. This is so cute. So it has just a little straps right here, and then the back, it ties up like that, but they're pants, right? So they're all connected to this little jumpsuit too. Almost fell, but this is what it looks like, and it has pockets. So I'm gonna try to zoom out all the way so you can get the full thing. Apparently this is as zoomed in or zoomed out as we're getting, but this is what it looks like, and I think it is so cute. And just put these with like wedges or something, and love it. It is adorable, and you can even put this on like with a cardigan and make it more fall if you wanted to. But am obsessed with it. So this item might be a little bit more fall, so let's open this one up. So I'm pretty sure I saw a dress like this on Pinterest, which is why I picked it up, this with some brown boots. I already think the quality is amazing, and I really like the colors of it. It's like the mustard yellow color that I've been really into. And yeah, I think this is going to be a pretty simple one. Wait, I will say there's this whole clear part that goes down the dress, so you're probably going to want to wear a slip or something with it, unless, is there a slip in here? There's not. So you're going to definitely want to wear a slip, so I'm going to go put a slip on underneath it and then try this on just so it's not all the way see-through. Give me one sec. Okay, so I love this also. We're doing good, Zaful. Good job. So basically, it is just this really nice floral dress, and it goes all the way down, basically to your knees, and I can zoom out real quickly for you. It looks like this. It's really long, it's really flowy, and it just feels comfortable, and I really like how it looks. And then when you get really close, you can see like the detail to it, and the arms right here get a little bit like more scrunched, but personally for having long arms, it is the perfect length to me. So this and like black boots or brown boots with a leather jacket, like black boots, a leather jacket, I think it'd be really cute, or brown boots. I don't know. Okay, this is just adorable. So I definitely love it, and I'm really excited to wear this for fall, and I bet I could even wear this to work easily. So yeah, this is what this looks like. We got jeans. Did I order jean shorts? Wait, I think it's a jean skirt. Hold on. I wanted to order this last time I did a Zaful haul, but they were out, so I couldn't get it. And so here we are with this. Please fit. Please fit. So this is what it looks like. It's a light denim, and it feels pretty stretchy, but hopefully it's not too big. And then the bottom looks like that. Okay, I'm really excited, so let me go try this on. So it's a tiny bit loose, but I definitely think it's really cute. So I just put it on with this crop top that ties. But look at these. Look how cute they are. I think they fit like over the belly button. I feel like they're not gonna get too like loose and fall down. And it's not too tight, and it's like definitely stretchy. So I think this is a win-win, and there's pockets, and I just think it looks so cute, and I can wear this so many different ways. And I am into these, so this is what they look like. And I don't know, they have like a frayed detailing, and I'm excited. We have been doing really good, and I'm very impressed. And it's just comfortable, honestly, and I approve of this skirt. Try it on. Oh, this is a dress. I do remember ordering this dress. I got so many stripes. I am so sorry. I don't know. I guess I was in a nautical vibe. So this has like a little peekaboo right here. So let's go ahead and put this one on. I don't like it. What is this like shape? I don't know what it looks like. It just looks weird. So next item. Oh wait. I found this. Does this attach somewhere? Okay, so this looks a lot more normal, and I definitely feel like this is still revealing, so I really don't like that, but the shape looks a lot better. I just don't love this dress, and I probably just be like pass on this one unless you're comfortable with showing, you know, some skin. Hold on. So this is what the shorts look like, and they have a really cute embroidery on the sides. I was kind of worried about this being see-through. It doesn't seem too bad yet, but I'm always worried about things being see-through. Shirt, are you see-through? It might be see-through. Okay, hold on, let me just go ahead and try it on. Give me one sec. So I don't think it looks see-through, and I think it looks really cute. So this is what it looks like, and it has like the little fabric, like I said, and it has a little dainty hanging piece, and then the shorts are exactly the same way, so they have like the little dainty piece that's hanging. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I think it looks really good. I also saw the black one and was like, should I get the white one or should I get the black one? I'm glad I got the white one. I really like it, and I think it's really comfortable. And this, you know, I'm trying to walk more, trying to exercise, so I could definitely wear this out like on a walk or something. With that being said, let's go ahead and just try on the next item. Look at the color. It is beautiful. Okay, so it is like this dark blue color. It's nice and stretchy. And this is the top of it. The material isn't like terrible, but it's not soft. It feels like a rough beach blanket, honestly, but you know, sometimes things are too cute. So if this top fits perfectly, like it's definitely gonna be worth it. So let's just go ahead and try it on. I like this a lot. It's just a very comfortable and long sleeve type of fabric. So I love the color, definitely. And then when I stand up, these are the shorts. They're just really baggy. It's just honestly supposed to be kind of like loungewear and just comfortable, and I appreciate this. I really like the color. I like how it looks. It's just like, you didn't try hard, but like you still kind of look cute, and you put a scrunchie in your hair or something, and like you just put it up in a ponytail, and it is perfect. I really like this. I think it's adorable, and you know, I wouldn't mind posting an Instagram picture in this also. It's just like so so like chill that it's like cute. Does it make sense? It's that chill vibe. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not cool. This is what it looks like, and I really, really love it. You know when you just don't remember? I don't remember. Okay, so this is a jumpsuit also, and it's honestly, I feel like this is going to be hit or miss, and it's just a very simple wide leg black jumpsuit. Everybody has like a little black jumpsuit, like they have a little black dress. So I don't know. Let's see how this goes. I just don't know. And again, the legs are supposed to be wide, and for the material of it, it's like a very like shiny-ish material, not matte, but okay, let's try it on. Yeah, it's a miss. Honestly, I don't hate it. I actually like how it looks and like what I was going for. I like it, but as you can tell, this is way too loose. So if you didn't mind spending the money to get it altered, and I don't know how much it would be, honestly, but I think it'd be very, very cute, and I almost fell again. But this is what it looks like. It's just very simple, and the legs look like that. So let me zoom out for you. This is what it looks like. Like I said, I think if it got altered, it would look a lot better, and it'd fit a lot better. And also, one thing that kind of disappointed me is the straps were not adjustable, and I'm like, come on. It's 2018, everything used to have adjustable straps. So if the straps were adjustable and this just fit better, I'll be all for it, because I don't hate the material, even though now that I look down, it looks really weird. I don't know. So this is what it looks like. You guys give me your opinion on this. I always need your help for like 1 or 2 items. So let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments down below. So I got a little small something, and I don't remember what it is, and then I have something that looks a little white. So let's just go ahead and open up the small something. Probably ordered earrings or something. Yep, your girl knows. She's obsessed with Tassel, and she's been into earrings. I just like to change up my earrings when I go into work, or like just try to dress up an outfit. So they're cute. I think what they're going for was really, really cute. But the tassel is very, very wonky. And also, in my defense, I let this package sit for a minute because of not opening it, so that could definitely be my fault. And this string looks a little bit bigger, so maybe I'll trim that off and just try to shape it maybe and see if it worked then. But I think like the little diamond stud part, and if it concentrates, that part's really, really cute. Okay, let's do the last item. Oh, okay, so I remember this shirt now. So I wanted to get this shirt, but as soon as I bought it, I think it was like put in the sold out list, and I just wanted it for work, and it looks pretty cute, I think, from what I can tell. Okay, hold on, let me go ahead and try this on. I think this would be perfect for work. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I think you guys will either love it or hate it. I personally really love it. I know the sleeve is not for everyone because it's like a poofy sleeve, but this shirt in general I think is very, very comfortable. And then I just paired it with these jeans that are too tight, but I paired it with these jeans, and I just think this would be so cute for work, or even like I don't know, just like a normal day out and need to go run errands, something. I think it's cute. I think it's sweet and little, just like little dainty looking, and I really, really like it. It just reminds me of very like soft cotton in a way, just, I don't know, a little farm girl or something. I don't know. I really like it. So this is what it looks like. I think that's like a really cute way to end this, because I honestly didn't think I would even, like, they would even ship it to me. So thank you. Thank you for shipping it to me. This is the end of the video, and you know what? I'm just gonna make this very short and simple and to the point, because I am still squatting and I am doing it in these jeans, so not a win-win situation. But basically, something I forgot to mention in the beginning of my video is that I'm about 110 pounds and I'm 5'6", and I will leave that in the description bar so that way you guys can use that as a reference. But besides this, I was actually very, very, very pleasantly surprised by a lot of these items. This dress I'm staring at, hold on. I wasn't impressed by this dress, but everything else I was pretty satisfied with. And sorry I got so many striped things, but I hope you guys like this video. I will leave a link to everything that I got in the description bar down below. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon notification button if you want to get notified every time I post, which is weekly. And that's my usual spiel. I just hope you guys like this. I appreciate every one of you guys for watching. And I kind of made this closing a little bit more slow, so sorry. Okay, bye guys, love you.